What is included in an air conditioning tune-up service? Tune-up is one of the buzzwords in our industry. And the really neat part about that word is it doesn't actually mean anything, or it means something different to every single company out there. So they might have their own 25-point inspection, 30-point inspection. The word tune-up comes from the automotive industry and does not directly translate into the furnace industry. What you really want to be careful of is that who are you hiring? What does tune-up actually mean? And are you getting what you're paying for? And what are you paying for? What do you actually get? We prefer the term maintenance. When you go into the installation and operation manual in any manufactured product, there's always a section called maintenance. Inside of that maintenance section, it's going to have a list of 16 to 30 things that should be done on an annual, semi-annual basis that you can be held accountable for. Now, you really want to make sure that whoever you're hiring to do an air conditioning tune-up or maintenance can be held accountable to that maintenance section, because by doing that, you ensure that it keeps your warranty in line with the manufacturer's commitments through their own warranty documentation. And be leery of anybody who's using the word tune-up and not willing to be held accountable to a maintenance standard.